Welcome back to another COHO tutorial. Let's take a look at your COHO Message Center. Start by clicking on the speech icon bubble in the top right hand corner. Here you'll see all your conversations across all platforms such as SMS, email and instant messaging. At the top here you can see a panel showing where you can filter. The first one here is you can filter by the type of message. Next, you can filter it by maintenance, onboarding, viewings, unread, and any archived messages you may have. Finally, you can also filter by property. To start a new conversation, click on the blue plus arrow. Here you can send if you want to send it to one or multiple properties, as well as which tenant in those properties. Once again, one, many, or all. Next, you can choose the medium that you'll send it through, whether that be COHO Messenger, email, or text message. Finally, you can click to send an email out to everyone that doesn't have their COHO dashboard, so no one gets left out. Once that's done, you can move on to crafting the message. Either write the message yourself, or choose a conversation starter template. These are customizable saved message templates that sit in your COHO account, so you don't have to retype messages you find yourself sending over and over. Message has been sent, let's take a look at how to access these templates. Click on the settings button and you'll be brought to the message template landing page. From there, click add new template and choose the type of template you want to craft. From there, name your template, choose the medium you want to send it through, the subject, and what the message will say. Finally, attach any file and click Create. With the COHO Message Center, you can easily keep track of every conversation all in one place.
COHO.